Oh boy, I really like this game. Yeah, me too. But I wonder when that pizza's gonna get here, so why did you roll a 50? Or at least 10? Because the guy that gives this street wagged them. So yeah. Oh, okay. He'll be arriving any minute now. Oh no, the pages, no. Okay, only one fell out, which is good. Oh, actually, two. I really have no clue how I kept them on here this whole time, but okay. Slowly but surely. So we went out at pizzas, or those pizzas, wherever. Our best way to do it is to sabotage the guys so that they don't get pizzas and we do. Big brain. And I can do that. That's somewhere in here. Should be somewhere, There's comically oversized stone. What? Those guys are sleeping if you're wondering. Okay. It's just most of them fell out. You're an idiot. I know they don't stay in. Come on, we're gonna eat them all off the ground like we usually do. Alright. Well, so I claim this one. Nice. Okay, I'll go for this one. And that one. And this one. And this one. Oh, you got more than me. Oh, this one. I got those ones. And Alright, so I think that's all. There's some on the road. I'll go get the two on the road. You can have that one. Let's go get for our rock back. Eat. So I think I could have that one, but we can do it. Must be one off somewhere around here. He's sleeping with his eyes open, if that makes sense. Where's the last one? Uh-oh, and it's right in that guy's vision. Oh, somebody's sleeping. Ooh, his eyes are open. Maybe he's sleeping with his eyes open. Sketchy, that's not physically possible. Okay, I guess I'll try. Yeah, it actually was. Hey, hey, Brian, I thought you were a good chick. Escape. Flee the scenes! Flee the scenes! Uh-oh, Sketchy. Where even did Sketchy go? Oh, there he is. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. This one needs to be refreshed. Actually, I'm just gonna get like... I'm just gonna keep on using this one because it's better than any of the ones I could ever make. I'm in, back. I'm in. Yeah, I'll go check. I'll be right back. Just gotta make sure. There. Ouch. Hmm. Oh no! She crashed and all the pictures disappeared. Oh god, quick they have gone! I mean, they were too nice to eat them all. Of them ran. The wren could never eat that many pizzas. Oh god. Maybe they're rolling here? Yeah. No, he doesn't look that side. Oh god, banana. No. I see Bob, all the pieces disappeared and I'm right now malfunctioning. What the hell? With no pizzas, I guess. We did it. Yeah. Well, I can have this. And this. And this. And these. Oh, come in. At least give some to him. Okay, don't just show me. I'll give them 2. Since there's only 2 in there. Yeah, okay. You have something? No. Pizza. You're welcome. And Ran just gave us 2 pizzas. I like cheese. Yes, 2 pepperoni. I like cheese, Ran. Oh, cheese. I hate women, but Bob will probably murder me if I don't do this. Yay! Let's look at it, right? Oh, never mind. That man has 1,000,000 pizzas. What? Alright, background, we're gonna finish if we want to. Huh? Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Did they all just ate that? Yes, sir. That's right. I'm not gonna have this pizza that I just found. It's literally a frisbee! This thing is just a frisbee. Yeet. Huh, it's actually really fun. This thing is just a frisbee. Does that mean all pizzas are frisbees if... Okay, it's just this one, I think. Hi! Hello, Hicks. It's X. We just had a feast of pizzas. Aw, and I didn't get one. It's okay, I have a spare. Hold on, it's gonna look very weird. There we go, just consumed it through my chest. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. Oh god, the pizza was a rock. Nice show, a nice day, and a nice pizza. Now it's time for a nice bed. Okay, I just go up there like a normal person. Normal demon again. Beat it. Okay. I'm also here. Oh, everything fell over. Okay? Now I'm dying. Help me. I'm dying on the inside. Here, let me help you. That did not help. Am I helping? No, you're not. You're making it worse. Am I helping? Hey, Bob, is he screaming? No. Yeah, I guess it's just me. Okay. Put my eyes open. Hey, Bob, that means it's time for power off mode. So pretty sure it's number 24 on my list. Nope, I'm now neon. What the hell? Why? Up now I'm red. Oh, okay, I guess I don't have a power off mode, so... Might as well jog back home. Like how I got here with that.